In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset your AirPods 4.
But anyways, getting into it, on previous gen AirPods, what you would have had to do is on the right, on the bottom, on the back, you would have to like see this like little dot right here. So you would have to hold that, and then basically if you hold it long enough, it would factory reset. But for the AirPods Pro 3, what you're gonna have to do to factory reset it is, while these are both like in your case, you're gonna have to double tap the middle. Then basically, once you double tap the middle 3 times, you're gonna see this white flashing logo, and that's how you know that it's in factory reset mode. It's a fully factory reset. And then when you have Bluetooth on your phone, it's gonna ask you if you want to automatically connect it, like I have right here. And then that's it, you'll be good to go. So it removes from pairing mode, and now it's gonna be connected. So if I go over to my settings, as you can see, if I turn my Bluetooth on and then I just go over to my connections, so I'm just gonna go right now. And then as you can see, my AirPods Pro 2, if I go ahead and open up the case like so, they're now fully connected, and it's as simple as that. So you can factory reset it and then, put it wherever you want on whatever device you want as well, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other AirPods videos on the channel.